Fitbit Premium Fitness Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get wearable fitness subscriptions wrong. They think they are just step counters or basic trackers. The surprising truth about Fitbit Premium is how it combines advanced health insights, personalized guidance, and wellness programs, and you won't believe the depth of data and recommendations it offers. Here's how it works. Fitbit Premium analyzes your activity, sleep, heart rate, and stress patterns to provide actionable insights. Personalized workouts, mindfulness exercises, and nutrition guidance help you reach fitness goals faster. For example, someone aiming to improve sleep quality receives daily recommendations, guided meditations, and bedtime reminders tailored to their patterns. Most people get this wrong. They assume fitness apps are generic, but Fitbit Premium adapts to your habits, progress, and goals. Additional features include challenges with friends, advanced sleep and heart rate analytics, video workouts, and wellness reports. Users praise the motivation, accountability, and depth of tracking that helps improve overall health. However, there are considerations. Premium requires a subscription, and wearables are needed to unlock full features. Most people assume more data equals instant results. It's effective only when you act on insights consistently. In conclusion, Fitbit Premium is ideal for anyone serious about improving fitness, sleep, or overall wellness. It combines technology with personalized guidance to create a smarter, data-driven approach to health. Subscribe for more honest reviews of health and fitness platforms.